All right, what is going on, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Quick update today. I wanted to do a first look at the Blossom dark mode, which very recently went live. I was really just exploring around this last night, and I was like, man, it looks so good. It turned out so crispy and clean. I wanted to give a quick little tour about it. As you may or may not know, I mean, Blossom obviously started as an app, but the desktop has been making a ton of strides to get up to parity in terms of the features and functionality. It's really starting to come along. Whether the markets tab, keeping up with whatever it may be that you're looking at. Obviously on the profile, I mean, we can do a quick little portfolio update while we're here, but you guys can follow my portfolio if you're not already following me. It's just at Brandon, which of course, guys, you can just go to blossomsocial.com, by the way. If you're not looking to download the app, you can literally get signed up on your desktop as you watch this. I also wanted to quickly note, yeah, it looks good. It's looking really good. I wanted to quickly flag and showcase the events because I don't think Mark and I have really sat down and spoke about them. I know you've probably heard us plug them here and there, but we're 2 weeks out from Vancouver and Calgary. So really, actually, a site that you guys can visit if you're interested in learning more about the events is blossomsocial.com/2025 investor tour. So here's basically the entire high level page. You'll have all the context, all the details. We're stopping at, 7 cities this year. Again, the west coast of the leg is Calgary and Vancouver. Actually, Calgary's already sold out, unfortunately. So if you're watching this from Calgary, we hit capacity there. Vancouver is very close to selling out, and then Toronto and Montreal are in September. So that's about a month and a bit away. And then if there are any Americans watching, we are making a few US stops as well. But certainly if you're in Vancouver, you want to see myself, Mark will be out. Mark is going to be out at Vancouver and Toronto, FYI. I'll be at all 4 of these Canadian stops along with the rest of the team. And I don't think I mentioned it really, but we have an incredible lineup of speakers, particularly at the Toronto event. So if you click on here, it's going to bring you over to the Eventbrite. By the way, guys, I will post a big code right here on the screen right now. If you want to attend any of these events, each of the creators or speakers that are there do have a 15% off discount code. So feel free to use that at checkout pretty much on any of them. Just a nice little way to save on costs. Your ticket, by the way, includes so much stuff. Foods, drinks. Here in Toronto, there's popcorn and all the ball game snacks, because I don't know if this has been mentioned, but we're literally doing it at the Rogers Center. So we have, obviously not the entire Rogers Center, but we've essentially blocked out a whole section of the bleachers, grandstands, and the stage for the presentations are going to be here and linked up to the Jumbotron. It should be an awesome time. But yeah, the ticket includes all that merch, tons of giveaways from the sponsors and goodies. But any information that you'd want about the events are going to be right here. And yeah, the big speakers that I think anybody in Canada who's in the investment scene will be excited for is hopefully, obviously, myself and Mark will be speaking. But the big keynote will be Ben Felix, Plain Bagel, and actually Mark. So Mark's going to be on the keynote with those 3. Really cool dynamic where you had 3 professionals / ex-professionals talking about the market, what's going on, and then a variety of other topics. But yeah, tons to learn about the events here. Like I said, if we're coming to a city near you, I would highly encourage you guys to do that very quickly, to grab your tickets, or let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, feel free to reach out to me either on Instagram or DMs or down in the comments. But yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think about either the events if you plan to attend, or certainly what you think of the Blossom dark mode, because yeah, I'm a huge fan personally, and I was actually exploring this late at night, so it was maybe 11:30, 12 last night when I was scrolling on my laptop, so everything was dark in the room, and this was dark too. I guess my computer automatically switches at a certain time to dark, so it just looks super clean. Obviously I'm filming just this during the day, so it looks a little more white, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Would love to hear any comments below, and hopefully see you guys at some of the events. Like I said, get the tickets soon before they sell out, and if you're not already on Blossom, shoot me a follow there, guys. Again, my username is @Brandon.